What if I told you that turning just $5 a day into $1 million nest egg isn't a fairy tale, but a step-by-step roadmap you can follow starting right now? You might be sipping your morning coffee, scrolling on your phone, wondering if wealth is reserved for Wall Street pros. Here's the truth: it isn't. By the end of this video, you'll have 6 simple strategies, backed by data, proven in my own portfolio, and used by self-made millionaires to build real, lasting wealth. And I've hidden a bonus insight at minute 9 that most experts keep secret. So stay with me. Ready? Let's go. Every year, the average 25-year-old in the US earns about $50,000, but only saves around 5% of it. That means you're watching hundreds of dollars slip through your fingers every paycheck. Meanwhile, compound interest is silently stacking up for those who act. Here's the fear: if you wait until you have more money, you lose out on decades of growth. 5 years of delay on a humble $200 monthly investment can cost you over $200,000 by retirement. That silent loss? It's the difference between struggling at 65 and living comfortably on your own terms. So let me ask you, will you let time rob you, or will you seize it? Point 1. Automate your investing. Humans are emotional. We celebrate when markets soar and panic when they tumble. Automation removes your feelings from the equation. Here's how. Set up an automatic $100 to $200 transfer from every paycheck into a low-fee index fund. You don't have to think about it. You avoid the temptation to time the market. You benefit from dollar-cost averaging, buying more when prices are low, less when they're high. I started automating $150 a month at age 22. Last year alone, that account returned 14%. That's free money compounding while I sleep, but automation is just the start. Point 2, choose low-fee, high-growth vehicles. Fees are the silent wealth killers. An active mutual fund charging 1.5% annually might not sound like much until you realize it can shave off hundreds of thousands over decades. Instead, prioritize total market index funds, expense ratio approximately 0.03%. Broad market ETFs with dividend reinvestment data shows index investors beat 80% of active managers over 20 years. By switching a $10,000 mutual fund into a total market ETF, I saved over $500 in fees in a single year, and that gap keeps growing. Next, we'll add rocket fuel. Point 3, responsible leverage and diversification. Leverage can be dangerous if misused, but used wisely, it's the accelerator of wealth. Example, buying a rental property with 20% down lets tenants pay off your mortgage while you pocket rental income. Rule of thumb, never borrow more than you can comfortably repay. Keep an emergency fund equal to 3 to 6 months of expenses. Diversify, stocks, bonds, real estate, even small allocations to alternative assets. This balance protects you from downturns while amplifying gains. Point 4, risk management is non-negotiable. If you blow up in a crash, you erase years of progress. Safeguard your journey, maintain a cash cushion, use stop-loss orders on volatile positions, insure your assets. In March 2020, my cash reserve let me buy more at rock-bottom prices, while others panicked and missed the rebound. Point 5, the millionaire mindset. Wealth is built by daily habits, not one-time wins. Commit to learning one new financial concept per week, reviewing your portfolio monthly, reinvesting all dividends. This mindset shift from what can I spend to how can I grow is the invisible engine behind every self-made millionaire. Bonus secret insight. Here's the tip most gurus hide. Allocate a tiny fraction, just 5% of your portfolio to your own skill development. Buy courses, attend workshops, experiment with side hustles. Knowledge compounds too, and often yields returns far beyond the market. CTA and next steps, 9:30 to 10. Now it's your turn. Start automating, cut your fees, manage your risk, and invest in yourself. Your future self will thank you. If you're serious about boosting your income, don't miss my next video. 6 realistic side hustles anyone can start in 2025. No experience needed. Click right here and let's build your wealth together.